Good morning, students. I just wanted to come on really quickly and give you some information about the assignment that is due tonight. So, you have a discussion that's due in which I'm asking you to write 3 separate paragraphs. You indent that first sentence, and you answer the 3 questions that I have listed here. Question number 1, what is your plan to make sure you are studying 10 to 15 hours per week for this course? That first sentence should identify what your plan is, and then at least 2 sentences more to describe what that plan is. You can certainly write more than 3 sentences per paragraph, but it has to have at least 3 in order for it to satisfy the objectives of the assignment. And you do the same for the other 2 questions. In addition to that, what you will notice is for tomorrow, you have a discussion that's due, and that is the discussion, class discussion and extra credit opportunity. And I wanted to go over that really quickly. So each week, I'm going to ask you to identify the author's main point. That means you are telling me what the purpose of the writing was. What was the writer trying to tell you about the topic? And this is where your annotations are going to help you. Okay, so for this particular week, you are examining the student fear factor. So as you were reading and you were identifying the students and each student's fear, and you identify how those fears related to your own fears, your first year of college. Tell me, what is it that Cox wants people to know about first year college students and their irrational fears and the strategies they use to manage those fears? Okay, and the format that I want you to use, that first sentence is going to be a sentence that identifies the author, the main point, and the title. Did you catch that? So in that first sentence, you're going to identify the author's full name, the title of the work, and the author's main point. All that's in one sentence. The sentence that comes after that is the evidence. Evidence means that you have a direct quotation with commentary that proves or validates the claim that you made in sentence number 1 about the author's main point. And it's in MLA format. What do I mean by MLA format? That means that I have a direct quotation, and that would be the portion that's in quotation marks right there, okay? But you cannot have a direct quotation in a sentence by itself. You have to have some sort of buffer, which I call commentary, to buffer that content so it's not just by itself. And that is the portion of the sentence that is not in quotation marks. Okay? And I need to know where I can find this information in the article. What page in the article was this information? And that is where you put the page number in parentheses. Okay? So that's going to be due tomorrow. Finally, I wanted you to know that I am going to, another question that people had. Where do I find, Dr. Stovall, where do I find the reading selections? The reading selections are always going to be in the reading response module right here. So when you click on the reading response module for each week, scroll down to the bottom, and then you will find your reading selection. I think you should print it out. That's me. If you print it out, you can annotate it. It's a lot easier. But you can certainly annotate on your computer, on your laptop. That's up to you. Finally, I need you to know, don't wait until the last minute to complete your assignments. You may run out of time. And if you run out of time and the link closes, it will not reopen. Yes, I opened the link for the assignment that was due week 1. But I will not do that the rest of the semester. If you have an emergency or something, contact me. We can work through that. But in terms of the course, I really appreciate all of your enthusiasm. I appreciate the fact that you're turning your assignments in. I just need you to make sure that you're staying on top of everything. All right? Well, have a great day, and I will be available to you tomorrow. Bye bye.